Welcome to Deroko Technology. I'm Anthony Ejay Jr. I'm excited to present a cutting-edge invention in radiation detection and safety, radiation solved by the spider sensor. In this presentation, I will walk you through the challenges caused by harmful radiation and how the spider sensor provides a smart, efficient, and reliable solution. We will explore the sensor's unique capability, its practical application, and the impact it can have on our health, safety, and the environment. Let's dive into how this groundbreaking technology is reshaping the way we detect and respond to radiation exposure. Radiation. Radiation is the energy that travels through space or medium as a wave or particle. Sources of radiation. We have natural sources, which include the sun and radioactive elements. Man-made radiation. It includes X-rays, nuclear reactor, electricity radiation from power lines and electrical appliances. Types of radiation. Non-ionizing radiation. It has low energy and less harmful. Examples include radio waves, microwave, and visible light. Ionizing radiation. It has high energy and can be harmful. Examples include X-ray, gamma ray, alpha and beta particles. Effect of radiation on health. Exposure to high dose of ionizing radiation can cause acute radiation syndrome, which leads to symptoms such as vomiting, skin burn, and hair loss. In severe cases, even death. Exposure to even low dose of radiation increases the risk of cancer, cardiovascular disease, and genetic mutation. Excessive exposure to ultraviolet radiation from the sun or artificial source increases the risk of skin cancer and cause premature skin aging. Impact of radiation on the environment. The ozone layer. The ozone layer is weakened due to ultraviolet radiation and the ozofluorocarbon, which increase the ultraviolet exposure on Earth. The influence of solar and cosmic radiation on Earth causes climate change, leading to global warming and coastal flooding. Artificial radiation from nuclear disaster can contaminate air, soil, and water bodies. Soil and water body contamination affect food safety and biodiversity. It also increases cancer rates in affected human population. Dangers of electrical radiation leakage. Electrical leakage occurs when electricity flows outside its intended path, often due to damaged wiring, fault installation, or ground issues. This leakage can produce high radiation in the form of electromagnetic field, radio frequency waves, and even ionizing radiation in extreme cases. Radio frequency radiation from electrical devices. Electrical leakage in Wi-Fi routers, cell towers, and electronic machines can cause high radiation emission. High radio frequency exposure is linked to headache, dizziness, and tissue heating, and long-term risk of brain tumor. Ionizing radiation from electrical equipment. High voltage electrical system, X-ray machine, industrial power plant can produce ionizing radiation leaks. Ionizing radiation can damage DNA, including cancer risks, and cause radiation sickness. Protection from electrical radiation leaks. Checking for electrical faults. Exposed wires and faulty devices increase radiation risk. Proper grounding helps prevent leakage currents and lost electromagnetic field. Limiting prolonged exposure, which it reduces close contact with high radiation devices. Use of shielding materials. Shielding materials lead shield for ionizing radiation and electromagnetic blocker for power lines. Keep a safe distance from power lines and transformers. High voltage area emits strong electromagnetic field. The spider sensor technology. Inventive technology to lessen radiation danger. ensure safer environment by effectively managing radiation exposure, detect danger from device, protect other device on the same distribution board from electrocution or fire, reduce radiation from indirect electrical current distance, rapidly detect potential danger within a second to raise awareness, protect transformer from exploding and dams not to compete with the soil. Conclusion: prolonged exposure to radiation from fault wiring, high voltage power line, and leaky device can pose high risks. As we conclude this pivotal research, we urge government, industry, and individuals to join forces in embracing the spider sensor technology. Together, we can create a safety, healthier world by modifying the danger of radiation.